Diet this 2025, not my resolution. My goal this year is to eat and share more good food. Bawi na lang sa exercise. Got invited by Almacen Cantina in Poblacion, Makati. Got excited when I saw the place kasi it has a mysterious vibe. And pag pumasok ka, parang feeling mo may magic na mangyayari. Here's what they served us. Drunken shrimp cocktail, taco platter with 7 different flavors. And they served us different dips as well. A flavorful popcorn bowl, truffle mushroom quesadilla, and these yummy aesthetic cocktails. From what I know, this is a new set menu na ilalabas pa lang nila. According to the staff, the price range of this food platter is around 3,000. Not sure if final price na yun. Cocktails not included. I tried their Midnight Temptation cocktail. Hindi ako mahilig sa tequila, pero ito lasang tequila na napasarap nila. Next is Amaretto Azeda. Mahilig sa Amaretto yung girlfriend ko. And sabi niya lasang leveled up version. Next is Absolutely Wild Berry. I found this fruity and refreshing. And then dito na tayo sa food platter. First to try itong truffle mushroom quesadilla. Hindi tinipid yung truffle nito. May crunch pa nung sinerve. Ang generous sa cheese. Ang sarap. Next, itong taco platter nila. Tinry ko itong soft taco with pulled pork. Nilagyan ko ng green na sauce, tapos yung sauce na pang birria. Ang sarap. Napaka-generous nila sa pork. Pwede pang bawasan. Next, itong very flavorful na popcorn. Favorite ng girlfriend ko, ayan, pinagdamot. Sweet and salty siya. Perfect yung flavor. And then, itong drunken shrimp cocktail. Ang sarap ng fried shrimp to sa avocado, cucumbers, cabbage. Refreshing dish siya. And then, yung friend ko pinagmix yung pulled pork taco and truffle quesadilla. Ang sarap daw, so ginaya namin siya after. Ito kakaiba tong taco na to. Not sure if shrimps or fish, pero tender. Tapos kakaiba, yung coloring niya is squid ink. Then, tinry namin tong fish taco na spicy yung dressing. May kick and tender din yung fish. Nag-stand out tong taco na may isaw baboy sa loob. Ang crunchy nung intestines. Gusto ko pa mag-order na isa. Tinry naman namin tong beef tacos nila na may hard shell. Ang swabe nung beef nito. Hindi over-season. Tapos gusto ko rin na cheddar cheese yung ginamit. Nilagyan ko pa ng mango habanero hot sauce nila. Ang perfect. And pag Tuesdays, 99 pesos lang yung tacos nila. Grabe yung busog. Di na namin naantayin tugs nila sa taas. Inantok na ako sa kabusugan. Babalik kami dito pag nagpobla ulit.